Hello friends, today we are going to learn about digraph and how to introduce digraphs to our children. With the help of initial single letter sounds, our children are able to make a few words on their own and they also learn easily to decode them. But they often come across such words which have this common digraph which we are going to learn today. This digraph is A. What are digraphs? Let me tell you first. Digraphs are those sounds which are created by combining two letters. Like here you can see AI, AY, A other letter and E. They only give a single sound but the letters are two. Let me explain it to you with the help of a few examples. Just write a word here. If you ask a child how many letters are there in this word, what will the child say? Very simple answer. There are three letters. 1, 2 and 3. But if you ask me how many sounds are there, I'll say 1, 2. D, A, J. Let us take another example. Again, we have three letters here. 1, 2, 3. But two sounds. S, A. What's happening here? Here, two letters are being used, but sound is single. We have some more examples like R, A, N. Three sounds, but four letters. Let's take some more examples. P, L, A, N. Play. Again, four letters, five letters. Five letters, but P, P, L, A, and N. Four sounds. So, I think here you can understand very easily that the sounds which we get by combining two letters, but the resulting sound is only one, such sounds are called digraphs. We have many examples. For example, train, plane, plane again, main, again. So when we have to teach this concept to children, how we have to teach, how we should teach, we should give them such examples in surplus. Say, day, ray, may. Always start with the examples. Then ask them to count the letters, number of letters. Ask them to count the number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 letters But let us count the sounds. Ch, ch, r, a, only four. Four sounds. Next word, P, L, A, I, N. Five letters. How many sounds? One, L, A, four sounds. Next, P, L, A, N, E. Five letters. And again, let us count the sounds. P, L, A, four sounds. Here again, say. One, two, and three. S, s, A. Two sounds. One, two, three letters. D, A. Two sounds. One, two, three. Ray. Three letters. One, two. R, A. Two sounds. So, likewise, you will find n number of examples and you can use them here. And all these examples will help them to understand how to pronounce this digraph. When they come across AI, AY, or A, other letter E, they will pronounce it as A. We don't need to tell them that they are digraphs, but we only have to tell them that they are partners who create single sound. After explaining this concept to children with the help of sufficient examples, it's time for an activity. Whenever you want to strengthen a concept in a child's mind, always use an activity after that. That keeps a curiosity in their mind and also revises the concept in a playful manner. Now, I have an activity like this. Here I have made a crossword puzzle. This is the answer key of the crossword puzzle. What you can do is, you can use the words which has the same sound by writing them on the board. You don't have to show this answer key to them. You can write different words. First give them the practice because they are very small and they don't really remember and they are not familiar with all these words. So first write any of the word like and ask them how many letters are there. They'll easily count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sounds 8. 3 sounds. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let us learn some more words. How many letters? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 letters. How many sounds? A, name. 3 sounds. In this manner, you can use all the words with them and you will see how magically they read all these words without much effort. After doing this introduction part of these words so that your activity is successful, what you can do is give them the puzzle. Here is the puzzle. You place it beside them and before them. You place it before them and ask them to find out the words which have a sound. And you should write the sound, letters for their help. A, A, A. All the 3 combinations have the same sound, A. So children, quickly find out those words which have this sound. I'll do two for you. Aid, paid. Aid, paid. Pen. Okay, can you find some more? And crane. And likewise, ask them to find the words. If they have a printer, they can print it. If they don't have a printer, they can write down the words in their notebook. I hope this introduction of digraph will be helpful to you to introduce this to your children. Thank you. Enjoy learning. Till we meet again.